Sativo Saturday, everyone. Today we have a fun fall cocktail called the Aromantique, which features Liquid Alchemist apple spice.
My name is Brendon and I have a wonderful cocktail for y'all. We're gonna start off with the smack of mint, 3/4 lemon, 3/4 Liquid Alchemist apple spice, 1/4 ounce pear spice, 1/2 ounce of your Hennessy. We are going to finish it off with our El Sativo, 1.5 ounces. Don't forget your egg white, 4 dashes of bitters, dry shake. There you go. Fill her up with ice. One more shake to finish it off. Nutmeg on top to dress it up. And you can't leave home without looking good. Here's your garnish. All kinds of love. It's simply fall-tastic. Enjoy it for yourself, because I will enjoy it for me. Delicious.